Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to make this beautiful and super easy beanie hat with bean stitches. The body of this hat is made by repeating only one round. For this hat I used this yarn, Alize Şekerim Baby Batik, and 3 and 3.5 millimeters hooks. The first is for the brim and the second is for the body. And I made that for teen size and it's a slouchy beanie hat, and you can adjust that for each size you want. If you're ready, let's get started. I start the work with smaller hook 3 millimeters and make a slip knot, and then make 12 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. These chains determine the height of your brim. You can add or subtract that. Now skip first chain and make 1/2 double crochet into second chain from the hook. Again yarn over and make 1/2 double crochet into next chain, and again make 1/2 double crochet into next chain. We have to make 1/2 double crochet into each chain until the end. Now at the end make a chain and turn the work and make 1/2 double crochet into first stitch under both loops of that. Then yarn over and make one back loop 1/2 double crochet. Insert the hook into back loop only, and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and repeat that. Yarn over, insert the hook into back loop of next stitch and make one back loop 1/2 double crochet, and make back loop 1/2 double crochet into each next middle stitches. Now at the end make 1/2 double crochet under both loops of the last stitch, and row 2 is finished. For start next row, make a chain, turn the work and repeat row 2. Make 1/2 double crochet under both loops of first stitch, then make 1/2 double crochet into back loop of middle stitches, and at the end make 1/2 double crochet under both loops of last stitch. Now row 3 is finished. Make a chain and turn the work and repeat this row. And we have to repeat this row of 1/2 double crochets and back loop 1/2 double crochets until the length of this band reaches the desired circumference, and the number of these rows should be a multiple of 4 because of the pattern of the body of the hat. I repeat that work, that row several times, and then I'll come back. Okay, now I have 48 rows of 1/2 double crochets, and the length of the band has reached to desired size, and now I'm ready to join 2 sides together. So turn the work first and then fold the band in half and put 2 sides together. Now insert the hook into remaining loop of first stitch of first row and grab this loop and pull it through, then make a chain. Insert the hook into same loop and into back loop of first stitch of last row, and grab the yarn, pull through and pull through this loop and make a slip stitch. Again go to remaining loop of next stitch of the first row and back loop of next stitch of last row and make a slip stitch, and continue this work. Insert the hook into next loop and back loop of next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through this loop, and repeat that work. We have to attach each stitch of first row to front stitch of last row together with slip stitch. Now this is the last loop of the first row, and that's last stitch of last row. Attach them together with a slip stitch, and now turn the work, and you can see this invisible join. Now I'm ready to start the body of the hat around this long edge of the brim. So I'll remove the hook and start the body with larger hook and make a chain. Then make one single crochet into same space. Go to next row of the brim and make one single crochet at top of that here, and hide this yarn through the work. And then go to next stitch, next row of the brim, make one single crochet at top of that, and then make one single crochet at top of this horizontal bar. Actually, we made 3 single crochet for these 2 rows, and we have to repeat that. We have to work 3 single crochet for each 2 rows of the brim. One more time. Insert the hook at top of next row of the brim, make one single crochet into that, then go to next row here, make one single crochet, and then make one single crochet at top of this bar, and repeat the work. Okay, I made 72 single crochet, and make a slip stitch into first single crochet, and then make a chain to start round 2. In this round we have to work bean stitches. For a bean stitch, insert the hook into first stitch here and yarn over, pull up a loop, but don't make a single crochet. Yarn over, insert hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and one more time, yarn over, insert hook into same stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop. Now I have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and then make a chain. That's a bean stitch. That's similar to a puff stitch, but with some difference. Now skip next stitch and go to the next and make one bean stitch here. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. One more time, yarn over, insert hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on the hook, then make a chain. And again repeat that. Skip next stitch and make one bean stitch into the next. Don't make a yarn over, go to next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on the hook, and then make a chain. And continue this work until the end. Skip next stitch, make a bean stitch into the next, and repeat that until the end of the round. I'm at the end of round 2, and I have 36 bean stitches around. After last bean stitch, skip the last stitch of previous row and make a slip stitch into first bean stitch. Make a chain and turn the work. And now we have to make a bean stitch into each space, these spaces, okay? Insert the hook into this space after this bean stitch here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and one more time, yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then make a chain. Now skip next bean stitch, go to next space and make one bean stitch here. Make a chain and repeat. Skip the next bean stitch, go to next space after that and make next bean stitch here and repeat that work. and continue until the end. Now I'm at the end, and the last bean stitch should be worked into joining space. Make a slip stitch into first bean stitch, make a chain, and again turn the work. We have to turn the work at the end of each round. And now make one bean stitch again into these spaces. Actually, we have to repeat round 3. Insert the hook into the space after the first bean stitch and make one bean stitch here, make a chain, go to next space and make one bean stitch here, make a chain, and repeat that work and make one bean stitch into each space of a previous round and continue until the end. And after that we have to repeat this round 3 of the body. Okay, at the end of each round turn the work and start next round and repeat previous round and continue this work and make these rounds of bean stitches until the height of the hat from the start of the ribbed band reaches the desired size. Okay, I repeat that round 3 and continue the work until round 16, and now I'm ready to decrease the top of the hat. And you can see that because we turned the work at the end of each round, these bean stitches have a zigzag texture, and that's very nice. Okay, now I want to decrease the top of the hat. So after attaching to first bean stitch and making one chain, again turn the work and make one bean stitch into first space and into next space and again into third space and fourth. Okay, I made 4 bean stitches, and now I want to make a decreased bean stitch over next 2 spaces. Insert the hook into next space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull a long loop, and yarn over, pull up a loop. But don't complete this bean stitch. Go to next space and insert the hook and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and again yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. Now I have 11 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them and then make a chain. And now this is a decreased bean stitch. Again repeat that work, make one bean stitch into each of next 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now decrease next 2 together, 1 and 2, and yarn over, pull through all 11 loops on the hook and make a chain, and repeat that work until the end. Okay, now I'm at the end, and after last decreased bean stitch, make a slip stitch into first bean stitch, make a chain, and again turn the work to start next round. In this round we have to make one bean stitch into each of first 3 spaces and then decrease next 2 stitches together. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now make one decreased bean stitch over next 2 spaces and yarn over, pull through all loops and make a chain, and repeat that work. Make a bean stitch into each of next 3 spaces, 1, 2, and 3, and then make a decrease bean stitch. And continue this work until the end. Okay, now I'm at the end, and again make a chain and turn the work to start next round. In this round we have to make 2 bean stitch and then make a decrease. Make 1 bean stitch into each of first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then make a decrease. Yarn over, go through all loops and repeat that work. Make 1 bean stitch into each of next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then make a decrease. And continue until the end. And now at the end of this round, make a chain and again turn the work and make 1 bean stitch into first space, and after that make a decrease bean stitch. Again 1 bean stitch into next space, and 1 decrease. And continue until the end. Okay, this round is finished, and that's last round because this hole at top of the hat is small, and I want to remember you, I start round of decreasing with 4 bean stitch and 1 decrease bean stitch because I had 36 bean stitches totally, and that was a multiple of 6. And if you have a multiple of 5 stitches totally, you can start from 3 bean stitch and 1 decrease, okay? Or if you have a multiple of 4 stitches totally, you can start with 2 bean stitches and 1 decrease and continue the work. And at the end, after making 1 bean stitch and 1 decrease, you can continue the work with 1 decrease bean stitch over each 2 bean stitches, and again for next round repeat that round until the hole at top of your hat becomes small. And now my hat is finished, and I want to cut the yarn and leave a long tail. And I have to close the top of the hat with a tapestry needle, and at the end attach a pom-pom. And now my beautiful bean stitch hat is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.